I'm Caden Shubno, and I work for Skis Lawn and Landscape, and mainly we do commercial accounts such as Lowe's, Pep Boys, Guitar Center, and we end it with the Paddocks every time, which is this huge apartment complex which has like 10 miles worth of sidewalks. The Snow Rhino has been a game changer for us this season, doing all the sidewalks. We used to do it with a quad and all the tires would slip all over the place and it didn't push snow very well. But now with the Snow Rhino, we have the tank tracks and it's zero turn, so it's easy to get in tight spots. So I've seen it push at least like 2 feet of snow, if not more. And it's definitely got us through a lot of like the biggest snowstorms we've had this year. So the plow, width on the plow is definitely perfect because it's like the exact length for the sidewalks, and being able to turn it each way and push the snow whatever way I need to is very nice also. So beforehand, we used to have a team of shovelers doing this all done, working all night, multiple people. But now with the Snow Rhino, we can just use one person out here and get it all done in less time. Thanks, boss, for buying this awesome machine this season and saving me all the work. The Snow Rhino, it sure beats shoveling.